Today I'm going to show you the light and the cell phone holder that I got for my YouTube channel to do shorts for my DIY jewelry, as well as the DIY jewelry tutorials that I post on my channel. So here we go. Ooh, that's a big light. So it comes with the user manual, remote control, the light itself is in that one. There's the bracket for the phone. This is the light. It's a ring light, and it does have this bracket here to mount your cell phone in so that you can use it for shorts. I'll also be using the light without the cell phone for the DIY jewelry tutorials on my channel. Well, here's the tool to set it up. And then we've got the stand for the light. Get that out of there. Yep. So this is the part that angles out. I will set this up and show you at the end. We've got, these are what gives it the height. So these connect to each other using these. Next. So there's two of those. And then this is the base. So this model does sit on the floor, which is good because I need something tall. So these are all the pieces. We'll go ahead and set this up and show you the complete product. Okay, so it looks pretty easy to set up. I've got the base on the table. This piece without this adjustment knob goes onto the base. The next piece with the knob, so this one goes on that one. So the top of that one is here. So the bottom without the knob screws onto the top of that one. And the base, so I'll set that on the floor. Then the next step is to attach this adjustable piece. So we'll go ahead and pull that out. This is the part that goes to the light, and then this part goes in the top of there of the posts that you just put on there. So like that. Then you just turn that knob until it holds that in place. This piece also adjusts, so you can move it down or up. So it just has the adjustment there. And so then on this piece here, that's where our light goes. So our light has this little hole that tightens down on this piece. It does have a USB cord, so you can plug it into like your laptop or into a USB charging cord. So there's that. And then this, you can adjust this so that that's the knob here. You can adjust that to move the light around or tighten it if you've got it in the position that you want it in. And then it has the power, the plug plus and minus for the light and the different light types on there. See how long that is. That's pretty long. That's decent. So it's about 5 or 6 feet long, I'd say, the cord when you untwist tie it. The light has this little bracket here, your phone, and that swivels up or down depending on how you need it. You can use this if you're on camera too. These brackets are adjustable like this. So I guess you'd use the one for the type of phone that you have. Okay, so the light is all set up. Two things. This is an e-clip, so this actually goes on instead of the light. I'm not sure what it's for, but it's listed right here on this. And then the clip that was already on the light is the one that holds the cell phone. And then the remote is actually connects to Bluetooth, so you can use it with your phone or your Bluetooth enabled camera. So it is a Bluetooth remote shutter, and the instructions are in here. So all I wanted to do on this was just show you the light settings. So I've got it plugged in. It has 3 different settings. So this is like the white, different settings for brightness, and then back down. Switch the color. Also has different brightness. Switch the color. This is more of the blue, and different settings were on high, all the way down to low. So that's how it works, and that function is on the cord itself. So that's the end of the demonstration of the light, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe.